decided to do something different. Tackled some of this project a little bit, kind of mixing it up. Felt like because I got to see all the interior parts that it came with, why not just put it back together? My goal for it is to just have it sit outside the shop for now to clear up some space in here. Who knows? But for now, let's put the interior that I got with it back in the car just to give it a better look.
For sure.
So I actually have to go head out to a friend's house right now. He left some goodies out for me, so I just have to pick them up. And before anyone asks me, oh, why isn't John with you, blah, blah, blah. Listen, I called that this morning. Homeboy didn't answer. I texted him, didn't answer. I waited for him, didn't answer. Will probably hit me back by the time I'm back anyways, so screw it.
You've got mail.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Of course, camera doesn't want to focus. All right, we just got here. Camera's not gonna focus. Let's go get these parts. Parts are in. We could head on back to the shop now. James, you watch this? Appreciate you, buddy. Probably should have told your dad I was coming. No. Well, we made it back to the shop in one piece. I don't even know if I'm focused. We made it back to the shop in one piece, but as you could tell, it's snowing. Let's unload these parts. First order of business. Passenger seat. A free bumper. I'll take it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Driver's side. I really need to start getting rid of some shit. All right. I picked up a free shark nose bumper. It's not in bad condition. It's an okay condition, but it was free. Same thing with the seats. The seats will probably need some work, but we'll tackle those very shortly. I actually know somebody who does reupholstery, so I might be able to tap in on a favor. Okay. As I traveled through that mess. But the real reason why we are here today is to literally go over this car, go back to finishing it up, things like that. Over the weekend, I was here tackling just throwing the interior stuff together. Ultimately, if I can get this car to start, I want to get the interior somewhat put back together, a door, get the windows rolled up, and then just have it sit outside for now. But this car, or this process of the car, can kind of be boring, so I don't want to bore you guys with that part. We'll just make some B-roll out of it.
Meanwhile,
obviously, I've gotten most of this stuff taken care of on this car. I really don't need to do much else to it other than make sure like the bolts and shit are tightened up, because I don't know what the fuck this kid did to the car. But I also want to make sure that we just check over everything, because if I'm gonna go hoon with it or just test it out in the parking lot, who knows? We've got to stay tuned for the next video. I just want to make sure that it decently runs okay, and then who knows. What you doing, bro?
Taking this paint off.
No, chill. So John decided to stop by the shop. He's doing some work on his car. Make sure you check out his channel. It should be right here. That's the goal. Push him to put that video out so that way I can actually have it here, or else it's gonna be very awkward.
what's poppin'?